Hello, welcome to demo of the OctiLearn platform. The purpose of this video is to show you how everything is structured and how it works. So if we go into any course, let's say we start with chemistry, we see these pages here where each component can be found. For example, the syllabus is here, and then we have notes and flashcards, and the other options shown here. On the syllabus page, it basically shows all the learning objectives as they're given in the IGCSE syllabus document, and you can select or unselect any learning objective as you go along. And students generally look at the topics that are there on the syllabus, but they don't follow the learning objectives precisely. So we thought it would be a good idea to add this, and it seems to be very helpful for students to track how much they've done and what's left. When we go to the notes page, we basically find interactive content, so we don't do PDFs because we don't think those are too efficient. The method that we've chosen to display our content works a lot more efficiently. So we've broken every topic into subtopics that we call snacks. So you see here, we have all the snacks that are inside this topic. And then each snack, which is a subtopic, has these sections. So for instance, if I want to look at the connections, I can just expand one single section and look at the connections that concepts in this snack have with other topics in the syllabus. And then we have filters at the top. So let's say you're interested in common misconceptions. If you select that, you'd only see the common misconceptions for all of the snacks. And then if you want to look at the content for a particular snack, you just select it on the left. And with the existing filter of the common misconceptions, it'll show you only that section for a given subtopic. The next page has flashcards, and those are structured the same way. The only difference is that, of course, the type of content here is in the form of flashcards. And when you go in, you can basically respond to all of these points and then use the tracker to make sure you've done all of them. The assessments basically shows past exam questions, and those can be done on a topical level or even a subtopical level. So for example, if I click on relative masses, then it will show me all the questions on that snack. And then you can also change the years that you want to attempt the questions for. And then if you go in, basically do as many as you want, and you can submit at any given time. Once you submit those, you can actually go into analytics and look at a breakdown of your strengths and weaknesses. And then in the simulations tab, we basically have 3D models and interactive simulations that you can use to visualize the concepts that you're learning. And then finally, we have an AI tutor that can be used over here on the side, or you can also go into the AI tutor page to use it there. And for example, you could say, explain electromagnetic induction to me. And once it responds, if you're not happy with the response, if you need, for example, more detail, less detail, or some of this format, you want a paragraph or a point, you can give it instructions and it'll adapt immediately.